You have to want to provide a better life for your kids. I grew up not necessarily having the best childhood, but I had the best childhood that someone could give me. So now if we can do better for Gentry and Olivia, then that's what we're going to do.
When they were little and we were thinking about their future, one of the main things we tried to do was just to expose them to as many things as we could, to people and places that were within our realm, and to just let them figure out what their interests were and are.
Miller School is the perfect incubator for individuals who want to actually go out and do big things.
The structure provided at the school works really well for Gentry. For Olivia, it's really let her shine a little bit more than she would have been able to if she stayed at a school where she was one of 400.
Gentry's pretty well accomplished from an athletic standpoint, but he really, really loves photography, videography. We're always talking to him about that balance. At the end of the day, you want to make sure that everything's empty. You've gotten all of it out, and he's been locked in since the very first week that he came here as a freshman.
For Olivia, here at Miller, she's co-chair of the honor board.
She's a treasurer.
She's an RA in the dorm.
She raced a mountain bike for the first time ever.
She was always one to get involved in any opportunity. Coming to Miller, Olivia has come more out of her shell and really figured out who she is in terms of her own identity.
Miller School environment, everybody's strengths are identified and they challenge those strengths. Those weaknesses are identified and they work with those kids individually to help get these kids at a level that they can be successful. No one falls. No one falls through the cracks.
Since they both come to Miller, I think the best thing is how they communicate, how they interact, sort of the ease and comfort that they have that I never had at that age. Seeing them interact with others, usually adults from a distance, and that glimpse or glimmer that I can see as a parent of them becoming adults.